I hope everybody's IXL is going well so far for the week. This is the last one that you have to do for this first week. It is KK.4, identify an outlier. So the biggest thing here is to remember what an outlier is. An outlier is a number that is way off from the rest. It's out in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so let's take a look at the list that it gives us here. I'm in my 50s, then I go to my 60s, my 70s, 80s, and then all of a sudden at 952. This is obviously way off, way different than the rest. I'm again going to look at my numbers, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, all within pretty close. All of a sudden, 908. Totally off from the rest. So you're just going to pick the outlier, and that is all. Next list. Again, 600s, 500, 600. Whoa, what is this? 28. Totally off from the rest. That is my outlier. Same thing, you're just picking your outlier. So every time it's just going to give you a data set. So you're going to look at all of these numbers. There's a ton of numbers, but one that sticks out like a sore thumb is right here, a 15. You're in 700, 800s, 900s, and then you have this 15 over here. That is definitely my outlier. Again, I'm looking at my set of data. And you got to kind of look at them because they all start to blend in and look all kind of the same. Whoa. I'm in the 800s, 700s, and then all of a sudden this 85 sitting here. So make sure you kind of take your mouse and go over all the numbers because they do start to blend. I'm in the hundreds, and then all of a sudden I'm all the way up in 9,000. So that one is definitely my outlier there. Okay, so for this section, you're just going to go through, you're going to look at your numbers, and you're going to find the number that does not go with the rest. All right, guys, I hope you had a great first week. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to get a hold of us. I hope to see you guys really soon.